Hello dear, my name is Farhan Akram. I am a software quality assurance engineer. I am highly motivated and self-driven QA engineer up to 5 years of experience in the field. I possess a solid understanding with software development lifecycle and software testing lifecycle as well as functional requirements, specification and use cases, which enable me to create a comprehensive documentation and test plans, also the test cases for manual testing and automation testing. Additionally, I have solid skill in black box and white box testing and also have a knowledge of agile methodology and waterfall and incremental and many others in my 5 years of experience. I worked with many organizations. I worked with US clients. I worked with European, Canadian and Australian clients. And I have different page tools to improve and make a report of your web app, mobile app, and websites. I have tools like Lambda Test and BrowserStack on which I can explore your application on different Android versions, different iOS versions, different iPads, and different browsers. And I can improve the quality as you want, as you need from me. I ever delivered a quality work and I didn't compromise on my quality work.